Need Facebook business content ideas? I've got 10 proven ones that we use with agency clients all the time, and I want to share them with you right now. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you are a business owner, you're running a brand, and you've had figure out my social media or digital marketing on your to-do list, and you just keep shoving it down because you're running a business. You're overwhelmed. You don't know where to start. You're in a great place. Every week, we teach you a different piece of a digital marketing strategy to help you out along the way. That sounds like something you could benefit from. Take a second, hit subscribe on this video. Go ahead and hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever a new video comes out. My name is Jerry Potter. You can connect on social with me at Mr. Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And today, we're talking about Facebook business page content ideas. What are you going to post? Hopefully you figured out how often you are going to post, because that's an important piece first. So then you have to know how much content you're going to come up with. If you don't know how to do that for your business, I've got a video that kind of talks you through things to consider. You can get that right here or watch it in the description of this video after you've watched this one. So, 10 proven content ideas for Facebook business pages. Any wins or celebrations of any sort. Could be as simple as your anniversary of the business or the anniversary of something that happened in the business, something from an employee, a birthday, but any win at all. The only catch is never make it about the business or about you. Make it about somebody else. So, for example, if a car dealership was going to post about selling another car, you don't go, woohoo, sold another car, cash money, baby, because then you look like a big bag. Instead, make it about the customer. So glad we were able to find the car for this customer. They wanted this yellow color, and now they're going to take this off to college next year. Then you're making it about them, but it's still a victory for you, the business, and it still makes you look good. So celebrate those wins on social media. Other people will celebrate in the joy with you, and that prompts engagement. Ask questions. This is everything with Facebook's engagement. Likes and loves and ha-has on your posts, those reactions, those matter and they help out. But meaningful discussion, thoughtful comments, those are the terms that Facebook uses. So if you get people talking in your comments, then you're really going to boost the Facebook algorithm in your favor and reach a lot more people. So ask questions so that people will comment. Fun stuff like, who has the best pizza in our town? This is my favorite podcast. What's your favorite podcast? The great thing about some of those open-ended questions is not only will people comment, but then other people will go and read the comments and possibly reply to people. Oh, I like that one too. Or, oh yeah, their triple bacon pizza is the best in town. So ask questions. Facebook polls. This is kind of like asking a question, but instead of an open-ended question, you're actually using the Facebook polls feature. You can give people 2 options and they can vote. The fun thing is you can also make the answers be GIFs. So it adds a little fun and animation to your post. I have sometimes inherited essentially dead Facebook pages where there's been no engagement for weeks, months, or even years. And this is one of the quickest ways to get engagement again because it's super simple for people to participate. Use Facebook Live to show real-time happenings. This should be anything with an outcome. Think about something with an outcome. Maybe you are baking something or putting something together. Hey, today we're going to do this and da-da-da-da. In a few minutes, I'll show you the final product. That's great. If you're a real estate agent, you're giving a tour of an open house. That's fantastic. You know, I'm going to take you through the whole house, and wait till you see this bathroom. It has one of the weirdest features I've ever seen, and I want you to see it. Like, I'm going to keep watching that. I want to see what's coming up in that video. But you kind of give people an outcome they can continue watching for, show off those real-time happenings behind the scenes. Ask for advice or suggestions. Your biggest fans will love to help you shape the direction of your business. So if you are thinking about serving a cheeseburger with broccoli instead of fries, throw it up there. I'm sure there are some people who eat broccoli that will still be like, no, French fries forever. But you're going to get engagement and it's going to be fun, and that's what Facebook is all about. I've asked people about my video set that I'm filming on, getting opinions, things like that. I crowdsourced my haircut once on Facebook. So think about things that you can ask your audience, poll your audience for. You don't have to listen to what they suggest. Unless it's a contest where you say you're going to, you're just getting feedback and engagement. Post about local events in your area, even if your business has nothing to do with them. If you're a local business and there's a big festival going on, simple as, Hey, anybody going to blank, blank, blank this weekend? I've never been. Got any tips? Or is it good for kids? You'll get those meaningful discussions going again, which will help you in the Facebook algorithm. Local sports. Again, this is just jumping on somebody else's bandwagon that's already there. If you are in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, roll Tide. Better post about that. If your hometown team is going to the Super Bowl, by all means, jump on that bandwagon in some way that doesn't violate team copyrights and all of that. But definitely jump on that. You'll get a lot of great organic engagement. And then people will say, oh, I love this team, and now I love these donuts. Show behind the scenes. Show where things are not perfect. And again, pick the platform for this. But if you've got an immaculate storefront or an immaculate store, but a terrible, messy storage room, throw up a photo of that occasionally, just so people know that you're not perfect, because they can relate to that. They may have an immaculate house and then a super messy closet at home. Share when things go wrong. Get a bad review. First of all, if you have mostly good reviews and some bad reviews, that legitimizes your good reviews. Anytime I go to a business and they have all 5-star reviews, I'm like, well, that can't be real. But if they got 4.7 and I can see some of the bad ones and the owners tried to address the issues, then you're talking about something that's real and genuine and trustworthy. So if you get a bad review, again, especially if it was your fault, somebody had an off night, address it, post about it, talk about how you're always trying to improve. That will go a long way. For me, sometimes I share hateful comments that I'll get on a YouTube video. I haven't gotten many at this point, thank you, but occasionally I'll share just some belligerent, hateful one, and I'll share those on my Instagram stories. And finally, the number 10 proven piece of content to share on your Facebook business page, run a contest. You can give away some of your own stuff, or if you got a little budget, you can buy gift cards. One of the easiest things you can do, I've done for a lot of clients, we just call it Free Lunch Friday. And on Friday, say, hey, we'd like to buy you and a friend some lunch. Go ahead and comment below with who you'd like to take for lunch. We'll pick one person and we'll give them a $20 gift card to blank, or 25, 50, whatever your budget might be. But I think, 20 is fine if that's what your budget is. The great thing is, it's illegal, according to Facebook, to ask people to tag a friend in the comments in a contest. That violates their policies. But you can say, comment below with your friend without asking them to tag, and they'll automatically tag their friend. And their friend comes and goes, oh yeah, and they comment back. All of a sudden, you're gaming the Facebook algorithm again. It can work incredibly. So, again, 10 proven content ideas. Is that not enough? Do you want more? I have more. I put together those 10 and another 14 in this guide. 24 content ideas for small business owners. You want it? Link is down in the description. I'm happy to share it with you right now. And if you've got a fun piece of content to share that other people might benefit from, or a content idea, let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear it. If this was helpful, give this video a like, consider hitting subscribe, and thank you for watching 5-Minute Social Media. You want more help with different questions, join us in our Facebook group. We do Facebook Lives, all kinds of great conversations. Just search 5-Minute Social Media on Facebook. And again, thank you. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.